Developing new productive forces, a recent catchphrase in China, is among the priorities for this year's economic work mapped out by a tone-setting conference held last December. By underscoring this concept, China aims to foster advanced productivity through revolutionary technology breakthroughs, innovative allocation of production factors, and deepened industrial upgrading. At a Lenovo Innovation Industrial Base in Tianjin, a zero-carbon intelligence factory has employed 5G technology to gather data and facilitate production.
您看到我们这个产线有很多的这个不同颜色的灯，它会去表明我们整个产线的状态，完全实现一个自动的一个判断、自动的预警和自动的一个处理。
Within the industrial base, clean energy sources such as solar and wind power are extensively utilized for electricity supply.
这个玻璃是特殊的一个玻璃，那这个零碳空间我们所有的电源也是靠我们整个这个光伏玻璃发电。
Experts say that the advancement of new productive forces signifies that China has made positive progress in replacing its old growth drivers with new ones, laying solid foundation for sustained and healthy development of the economy. The dynamism of the new sectors is also attracting an influx of foreign investments.
This year, Volkswagen is making a significant investment, over 7.5 billion yuan, right here in Hefei. We are establishing the Volkswagen Group China Technology Company, making it our largest development outside Germany, with a clear focus on intelligent, fully connected vehicles. We proudly announced that our Hefei-based team is leading the charge in developing the Volkswagen Group's first China-specific electric platform. This is a big move for us. In just 2.5 years, we have built a new hub in Anhui, covering the complete value chain from R&D to manufacturing and sales and services.
Official data show that the added value of strategic emerging industries, including high-end equipment and new energy vehicles, accounted for over 13% of China's GDP in 2022, up from 7.6% in 2014. China aims to increase this proportion to over 17% by 2025.